Hi guys, we have received some of the customer feedbacks that they have met the problems with the signal, especially in the connection between home base and the W510. So we have updated a new firmware version to address this problem, and with this version, you will have an amazing function named multi-signal bridge. So with this video, we would like to guide you how to set up the multi-signal function, and we need some preparing steps. So firstly, we need to check all the firmware versions are the latest one. So firstly, you can just tap into the W510, the device settings page, and find the firmware update part, and see in the page. If it is the latest one, it will end it up with 2025 October 23rd. Like this one, this is already the latest one. And after that, you can check the home base, like steer the firmware update, and then to check whether it is ended up with 2025 October 23rd. If it is, that means both your home base and the devices are in the latest firmware versions. So like this one, already in the latest firmware versions. So our next step is to check the app version. Just go to the Me page, then tap the icon on the top right corner, the settings icon. Then you can see the About app, just tap it. You will see the version code of this app. The latest one will be 2.21.0. That indicates this is the latest app from app version. So if you have already made sure your firmware version and app version are the latest one, then you can just tap into the home page settings page. You will see in the function part, there will be a function named multi-signal bridge. So just tap into this one. This page is a very brief introduction about the Wi-Fi configuration. So you can just read it, then tap continue. And this is the Wi-Fi some nodes you should know before you use this function. So just make sure all the following points. If you have all the following points well prepared, just tick I have prepared as instructed. Then tap Start Network Configuration. And then if you use Android system, there will be the Wi-Fi name will be automatically filled in. But if you are use iPhone, you need to tap in the Wi-Fi name, then just tap in the Wi-Fi password. So then tap adding the Wi-Fi information will be automatically synced to our system. So if the connection between home base and the devices is very weak, our system will automatically connect the Wi-Fi, connect the devices with the router, so to achieve more smooth and stable streaming. So there are some notes you need to pay attention to. So this function is only support the 2.4 gigahertz, and if you use dual brand Wi-Fi, it also makes sense. It does work. And secondly, if you found the Wi-Fi name or the Wi-Fi password is wrong, you can just tap in the icon at the left, then you can just edit the Wi-Fi password. But if you found the Wi-Fi name is wrong, you can only forgot network, then refilling the Wi-Fi information. And if you find that this Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can just tap the refresh icon. Then we will refresh it. Maybe it will help. So now the multi-signal bridge function is already being configured, and then the system will automatically shift it between the home base and your router. But please make sure the Wi-Fi you filling in the multi-signal bridge function is the same one that your home base are using, to make sure they are in a mesh network.